Hello, welcome to my Slender Front. So today we're gonna open this haul and see what is in here. And here we have a box inside of a box. So let's see what it is. Try to get this out. There goes. And it's a fan. So this is I got it for like new for $25. I believe it's like 30, under 30, like just under 30, like 29 something if you buy it new. And I wanted to try it out and see how it worked. So let me grab an extension cord and let's open the box. And I'm not sure. I guess I should open it from this side. Or actually I think it opens from the top, like so. And then I can like just pop it on this long pipe. And here we go. The window fan. And the accessories are just falling out. So you can see the accessories are here. So these are the stands, obviously. This is the bug screen it comes with. You can put it like that so that bugs don't come out. And the fan itself, it's fairly unused, untouched. It's like I said, I bought it like new, so it's in a new condition. And I think I got a good deal. Um, and so I don't know, I think these go here. So I'll try to pop them in. I don't know if you pop them in, yeah. And just kind of make sure that's on. And then I'll plug this in to the extension cord and we'll see how these work. Let's see. So it's plugged in and we'll check these out. This is this night? Is that what it says? Night? I don't know. It says 2, 1, and then like a moon. So we'll see. This is 2. Here's the paper it comes with. You see that? This is 0. This is 1. And this is night. I guess this is like more white noise. Here's 1. Here's 2. 1. And the night. So I mean, I really don't see this works really well, and it's welcome right now because the heat's pretty bad. So I mean, I don't know. And then this obviously goes in the back. I think um, you just pop it like here. And then, like if you want to fit it to your window, you just pop these open, so that way it covers the whole windowsill. If you have like a longer windowsill, and they pop open on both sides. I mean, this is pretty. It's pretty neat, actually. And yeah, I really like it. And you can use it. It can go reverse, so you can put it in backwards in the window, so that way it takes all the heat out. And yeah, I think it's pretty cool. It's called this side exhaust out. So like if it's really bad the heat, you can let it all out on this side. And this is two. This is one, and this is nighttime. So it's kind of nice and quiet. And both sides have the ability to hook the the bug net, as you can see. See, it says this side fresh air in. And yeah, give it a 10 out of 10 for 25 bucks. This fan is pretty good. Thank you guys for watching. And I'll see you in the next video. My song different. Bye bye.